The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported progress from front line May 19. The armed clashes between two sides have occurred in several areas. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have engaged 76 AFU artillery units, manpower and hardware in 103 areas during the day. An artillery ammunition depot of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been destroyed near Krasnoarmeysk, Donetsk People's Republic. The fuel depot for Ukrainian military hardware was destroyed near the town of Mervichi, Lvov region. Russian air defense forces have intercepted 7 Himars MLRS shells during the day. Moreover, 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down close to Dvurechnoye, Gorobyovka, Kharkov region, Veseloye, Blagoveshchenka, Belogorovka, Novomikhailovka, and Yegorovka, Donetsk People's Republic. The Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov May 18 said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 428 fighter jets and 234 helicopters, 4,218 unmanned aerial vehicles, 423 air defense missile systems. Also 9,227 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,100 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,852 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,304 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement said Russia lost 660 servicemen in a single day, including 4 tanks, 4 armored personnel vehicles, 12 artillery systems as well as 10 drones and 21 cruise missiles were shot down. In total, Moscow lost 201,760 servicemen since the beginning of Russia's full-scale invasion. The other footage, the armed forces of Ukraine carry out an amphibious assault exercise. During training, Ukrainian servicemen try to bring the conditions as close as possible to combat conditions, so that the fighters understand that the outcome of the operation depends on their ability to act as a team.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!